So hi to all, ZSG Dark in here. In today's video I'm gonna do the DSG fluid change in my Audi A4 B9 Quattro Audi. So for that you need this. So like I said, you need, if you're gonna use this garden pressure sprayer to fill up the oil, you need the adapter for it, and if you don't have the original, you can make it one by yourself. So this is the original cap for DSG, and what I did, I drill it over. So I've used these bits, so I go from 4, 5, 6 and 8. So this is the 8, the last one. And if you check, so this is air hose 8 millimeters, and this is 8.1, and the drill bit is 8. So it is perfect fit. And now I'm gonna use this super glue and I'm gonna glue it here, and I think we have a winner. If we don't, then we have a problem, but I think that this will work, so let's do it. So here I am, I have VCDS. I've took out this parted cover from the gearbox. Here is the gearbox, and now I'm gonna take out the oil. So before that I need to go to VCDS in Autotrans, and I have to release the pressure from the gearbox. So now I'm going to just go to advanced measuring values to see. I go here, I go load, and here now you can see that the oil pressure reservoir is at 28.5 bars, and our oil pressure reservoir status not active, and it should be active. Transmission oil is at 27 degrees. So now we're gonna release this oil pressure. In here you go to adaptations, then you select and draining oil pressure reservoir, and you do active. Do it. Are you sure? Yes. So in here you just press yes, then you put OK, then you go to advanced measuring values, and let's see if we have oil pressure. Go here, load, and now as you can see we have 0 bar, and we have gearbox malfunction because we've activated the oil pressure reservoir. So now let's go down and we're gonna release the oil. So now first I'm gonna release the filling. It's here, and you need torque sturdy. And now we're gonna check how much oil did we get from the, how much oil did we have in gearbox. So we're gonna leave this to drain. Now I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna open the, now you can see we don't have any oil. So now I'm gonna close this and open the emptying. So the emptying is a little bit difficult because it's here. And now we're gonna leave this. So this is quite a mess. We're gonna leave this to drain, and then we're gonna see how much oil we have in. And it will be nice if you have a little plastic bag, so that you don't ruin your pavement. So we're gonna leave this to drain, and we'll see you soon. And I'll be back when it's finished. So I've took out the oil. As you can see, it is black, very black. It is very, very black. So this, if you ask me, is 60,000 kilometers. So now I use this to fill 1 liter of fluid, and I put in here so we can see. You can see here is 1 liter, and now I'm gonna take that and to measure how much oil did I get out. So this one here has 154, but we will see how much oil weighs. So I've took all the oil. As you can see, there are 2 liters, and here we have almost 3 liters of oil. So that means that 3.5 is overkill. So now I'm gonna put 3 liters in here, and I'm gonna pump it into the DSG gearbox. So stay tuned. So I've put 3 liters of oil, and now wish me luck if this works. So stay tuned. Now I'm gonna fill up the rest. So this works like a charm. You press it to the 1 bar, and now it's slowly dropping, and the fluid is going into the gearbox. I hope, as you can see, nothing is leaking, so that's good. And you see how the pressure in the bottle drops. The fluid is going into the gearbox, so that's nice. You just pump a little and everything else is done by the pressure. So sorry for that. As you can see, we're almost nothing is leaking, so that's very nice. So now, as you can see, we are at 1 bar of pressure, and we have almost empty. We're gonna put all the oil here, because here is our tube. So that's it. Yeah, you can hear. And that's it. Now I'm gonna take out this adapter, let's call it that way, and I'm gonna put the tap on, and then we'll go into the VCDS, so stay tuned. So when you take out the adapter, you must be quick and put the cap, because little oil will go down. So now let's go into the car. So we are back in the car. We're going to the VCDS. We go to select, then you go to auto trans, you go to adaptations, you search for the oil drain pressure reservoir. Now it's activating. Now we're going to off. Do it. Are you sure? Yes. Yes. The controller accepted request. Will now read the channel again. Okay. Done. Go back. If you see here, we don't have any codes, so that's good. We're now going to go to advanced measuring values to see how much pressure and the temperature of the gearbox we have, because so the gearbox is at 25, we have 18.4 bars of pressure, and now we need to, the transmission temperature must go up to the, must go to the 35 degrees, so we can do the measuring, and stay tuned. Now I've started the car. As you can see, the pressure is rising, 29-30 bars. So now, oh, and now it's good, 28, it's okay. So now we have to wait to have 35 degrees on the gearbox, so stay tuned. So I think that I'm reading the wrong data, that I need to read the ATF temperature data. We have 40. Now let's go downstairs, down to the gearbox, and then you open the filling tap and wait till the oil drops, start to dropping. That's okay. So now let's go downstairs and release some oil. So the engine is working, and now let's go down to release the oil. I don't know if you saw that, but I think we have a problem. I don't know if you saw that, but I'm not getting any oil from the gearbox, so we have to put 0.5 oil back in. So I don't know if half of liter oil is missing, or they didn't put, or I don't know what. So stay tuned. So now I've put half liter of oil, as you can see, and now let's fill that in. So I'm back in. I put 0.5 liters of oil back in, and now let's do, we have 39 degrees, so that's good on the temperature data. And now let's go down and release some oil. And now let's try to release some oil. Yeah, that's good. And now when it starts to drip, then it's okay. Yeah, now it's okay, we can close the tap. Oh. So that's it. We've concluded the oil transmission changing fluid, oil changing. So thanks for watching. DSG dark out. Bye. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Bye to all.